Hello students, let's continue with the MCQs. In this video, we'll try to find out the answers for each MCQ quickly without doing much working. Okay, so let's start. The first MCQ is, a convex lens has a focal length of 50 centimeter. Its power is, there are four options given. You know that power P is 1 over F if F is in meter, and it is 100 over F if F is in centimeter. And it's always in diopter, SI unit is diopter. So since F is in centimeter, so power will be 100 by F in centimeter. It means 100 by 50, that is 2 diopters. So A is the correct option. Now, the second question is, the power of lens is minus 1.5 diopter. Its focal length is, as we have done previously. So now we know that F is 1 over P, and then F will be in meters. And if it is 100 over P, you will get F in centimeters. As in the options, we can see B is not correct because focal length can never be in diopter. And as power is negative, so focal length has to be negative. So C option is also wrong. So it can be A or D. We know that focal length is 100 over T. It means 100 over minus 1.5, which can never be minus 1.5. Okay. So obviously D is the correct option. So without working, we have done this. You can calculate it. 100 over minus 1.5 should be equal to minus 66.6 centimeters. Now, the next question is, focal length of a plane mirror is. If you have listened to the previous videos, you should be knowing the correct answer. We know that plane mirror is a special case of, we can say, convex mirror. Because when the object is at infinity, image is virtual and erect, and it is formed at infinity on the other side. So we can say plane mirror is a convex mirror whose focus lies at infinity, or in other words, whose focal length is infinity. So focal length of a plane mirror is plus infinity, because we have seen that in every mirror, where does a focus lies? If we place an object at infinity, wherever the image is formed, that is its focus, and distance of focus from the pole of the mirror is its focal length. So as object at infinity in case of plane mirror gives image also at infinity but behind the plane mirror. So image focus will be lying at infinity behind the mirror. So focal length will be plus infinity. Here we don't have any sign. We'll choose the option B. So now the next question is, plane mirror is a part of a sphere of radius. There are four options given. We know that when we consider plane mirror, it seems to be flat. It is flat. If you consider a very big sphere and you can take a very small part of it, very small part of it, we can assume it to be a flat surface. So we can say plane mirror as focus lies at infinity. We have seen in the previous question. So if focus lies at infinity, obviously C means center of curvatures, also lies at infinity, which is still behind the focus on the other side. So definitely radius of plane mirror is a part of a sphere of radius infinity. So again, we'll choose the option B here. And radius of curvature, if we say, it is plus infinity by using the sign convention. Now, the next MCQ here is, if the power of a lens is minus 4.0 diopter, then it means that the lens is you have four options here. Now we know that power, if it is negative, focal length has to be negative. And when focal length is negative, we know it has to be a concave lens. So obviously B and D options are cancelled. As we know, power is negative, so focal length should be negative, and negative means concave lens. And we know P is 1 over F. So F will be 1 over P if it is in meters, or in centimeter 100 over P. So when we take 100 over P, we get 100 over 4. That is 100 over 4 means 25 centimeter. So minus 25 centimeter. C is the correct option here. The next MCQ is, the laws of reflection applies for concave mirrors only, plane mirrors only, all reflecting surfaces, convex mirrors only. And I think so you should know the answer. It should be C. Laws of reflection are valid for all the reflecting surfaces. I hope you remember the 2 laws of reflection. Now the last MCQ. Magnification produced by a rear view mirror fitted in vehicles. There are 4 options. Is less than 1, is more than 1, is equal to 1, can be more or less than 1 depending upon the position of the object in front of it. We know that rear view mirror is a convex mirror, and convex mirror always produces virtual erect and diminished images. So magnification, which is a ratio of height of image to height of object, since height of image is always less than height of object, so it will always be less than 1. Okay, so I hope you have understood the MCQs. We'll continue with the MCQs in our next video. Goodbye students. Thank you.